Our top focus this morning is on Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray's attack on the BJP as the Bihar elections near. Politics again has taken centre stage. Uddhav Thackeray, speaking at the Shiv Sena's annual Dussehra rally yesterday, targeted the BJP over its free vaccine promise in Bihar, asking really why only provide free vaccine in the poll-bound states, and asked BJP whether Maharashtra was in Bangladesh or Pakistan. Uddhav also slammed the Maharashtra governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari, saying that Hindutva doesn't mean performing puja in a temple. This attack comes days after the Maharashtra governor wrote a letter to Chief Minister Uddhav urging him to reopen places of worship. Uddhav added that some are trying to topple the Maharashtra government and that every such attempt will fail. The BJP was quick to counter Uddhav's charge. BJP accused the Aghadi government of mishandling the COVID crisis and said that Uddhav's speech did not have any mention of secularism.
निवडणुकीनंतर कोरोनाची लस सगळ्यांना बिहारमध्ये फुकट देणार. मग आमचा बाकीचा देश जो काय आहे तो काय बांगलादेश आहे की पाकिस्तान आहे का कझाकिस्तान आहे ते तुम्ही मानता येत नसेल तेवढी तुमच्यात हिम्मत असेल नसेल पण निदान सरसंघचालकांनी सांगितलेले हिंदुत्व तरी तुम्ही मानतात की नाही. आणि त्यांचं वाक्य आहे हिंदुत्व हिंदू राष्ट्र इसको लेकर भ्रम पैदा करने वाले लोग हैं. कौन है, कहां है, कौन ये लोग हैं, पता है आपको, कहां रह रहे हैं? हिंदुत्व एक ऐसा शब्द है जिसके अर्थ को पूजा से जोड़कर संकुचित किया गया है. मंदिर का नाही उघडत, तुम्ही हिंदुत्व सोडलात का सेक्युलर झालात, हे सरसंघचालकांचं वाक्य आहे. हे सरसंघचालकांचं वाक्य आहे. नुसते टोप्या नका घालू एकमेकाला. त्या टोपी खाली मी पुन्हा सांगतो, जर डोका असेल तर त्या डोक्यामध्ये मेंदू असेल तर त्या मेंदूला पहिलं हिंदुत्व म्हणजे काय हा अर्थ तुम्ही तुमच्याच सरसंघचालकांकडून समजून घ्या आणि मग खरडेगाशी करा. तर असं सरकार हे जास्त काळ टिकू शकणार नाही. आमचं सरकार कधी पाडायचंय माझं आव्हान आहे, पण तुमचं सरकार पहिलं सांभाळा, तुमचं सांभाळा. मी बिहारच्या जनतेला सुद्धा एक सांगतोय की डोळे उघडून मतदान करा. मी कोणाला करा मला माहिती नाही, ते तुमचं तुम्ही बघा. पण हे जे काहींचे छक्के पंजे चालतात त्याला बळी न पडता तुम्ही मतदान करा.
शिवसेना के पक्ष प्रमुख और राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री श्री उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने आज अपने दसरा मेलावे के भाषण में इस प्रकार का भाषण दिया कि जिस भाषण में ना हिंदुत्व था ना सेक्युलरिज्म था, सिर्फ मेरे को मुख्यमंत्री बनना है, इसके लिए कसाब को बिरयानी देने वाले और याकूब सईद को माफी दो ये कहने वाले उनके मंत्रिमंडल में जाकर उनके साथ बैठने का काम हम नहीं करते.
उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने हिंदुत्व के पाठ कई लोगों को पढ़ाने का प्रयास किया. सवाल यह उठता है कि हिंदुत्व की बात करने वाले शिवसेना के नेता उस समय कहां पर थे, कहां खो गए थे जिस समय कांग्रेस के नेता सावरकर जी के प्रति अवमानकारक भाषा का प्रयोग कर रहे थे. उस समय शिवसेना मौन क्यों थी?
Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live this morning from Mumbai with more details on the story. Pankaj, good morning. You've got Uddhav Thackeray really using the stage of the Dussehra rally to fire one attack after another at the BJP, also targeting the governor. Any response that's coming from the BJP, particularly with regards to the mention of the free COVID vaccine promise that they've made in Bihar?
Good morning, Akshata. So this was the annual Dussehra rally of Shiv Sena, and this was special and different on many counts. First of all, this was not held in the sprawling field of Shivaji Park in Dadar, but inside an auditorium at the Savarkar Hall because of the fear of the pandemic, of course. For the first time around, you had the Chief Minister, Shiv Sena President as Chief Minister addressing the cadres as well. And of course, the BJP no longer the ally of the Shiv Sena. So it was expected that the Chief Minister's speech addressing his cadres is going to be aggressive. He will try and infuse life energy into the cadres. And what better way than slam the BJP, the one-time, long-time ally of the Shiv Sena. And most prominently, the attack came in the form of the policies of the central government and its election agenda in Bihar. As you rightly pointed out, he particularly pointed out about this COVID vaccine, which the BJP said would be given free to the people of Bihar. But not just that, he also attacked the Prime Minister with regards to the GST dues. He said if the state is not being given the GST dues, then perhaps the Prime Minister should accept that the GST policy was a failure as well. And to your question, right after the speech, two prominent BJP leaders, MLA Atul Bhatkalkar and Ram Kadam, slammed the BJP. But they are yet to give any reactions on these specific questions. But yes, BJP says at this point of time that the Shiv Sena has completely deviated from the path of Hinduism. That has been their core issue over which they would have attacked the Shiv Sena. And that too, the reaction of the BJP too was on expected lines.
All right, Pankaj, we'll be tracking the latest on this front, particularly the reactions that come in from the BJP. Thank you for joining us this morning with all those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.